Imagine sitting at the dinner table with your kids, laughing, talking about their day, and suddenly your phone buzzes. You glance down, it's a 900 payment notification. And here's the kicker, I didn't create the product myself. It was a done-for-you digital product, fully ready to sell, and I keep 100% of the profit every time it sells. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how busy moms like you and me are building real income online without needing followers, fancy tech, or long hours. So grab a drink, get comfy, and before we dive in, make sure you grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's a step-by-step roadmap that shows you how to start your own digital business in just 2 hours a day. Comment blueprint down below, I'll send it right to you. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to make $900 days from home using a system that's 90% automated, giving you your time back with your family. If you've been trying to make money online and it just feels overwhelming, I get it. I used to think the only way to earn online was through Amazon, Etsy, or endless affiliate links. That's just not true anymore. There's a simpler way, one that doesn't require a huge following, expensive ads, or tech headaches. It's about leveraging done-for-you systems that do 90% of the work for you. That's what I teach here on this channel. How to create financial freedom and time freedom so you could finally live the life you deserve. So you could finally live the life on your terms. Now, before I walk through this system, I want you to know what I'm about to tell you isn't just a theory. It's the same method that's helped over 163 people make over $100,000 from home, all through the Legacy Builders program. I personally invested $900 to learn this system from one of the top mentors in this space. And I'll be honest, it's the best decision I've ever made because this program gives me everything. 4 income streams, 100% resale rights, and a community that lifts you up every step of the way. You're not building alone. You get mentorship, weekly Zoom calls, daily training videos, and live training that makes this process foolproof. Before we dive in, don't forget to grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's completely free. It's the exact roadmap that shows you how to start your own digital business using automation and the same system I use daily. Just comment blueprint down below and I'll send it over to you. Alright, let's talk about how you can start making $900 days using done-for-you digital products. So here's the thing, most people believe you need to sell on Amazon, Etsy, or Shopify to make real money online. That's not the truth anymore. There's actually a simpler and less competitive way using digital products that you can sell directly through your own automated system. Platforms like System.io lets you build your store, automate your sales funnels, and collect payments without paying listing fees or competing with thousands of others. This means you're not waiting for the algorithm to notice you. You're building your own digital storefront and your own audience. And the best part, your own customer list. So you can follow up, offer bonuses, and build long-term income, not one-time sales. Now, when people hear digital products, they think they have to spend months creating something, but you don't. You can use chatgpt to help you create a product in a single weekend. It could be a step-by-step guide, a digital planner, a mini course, or templates for small businesses. You don't need to be an expert. You pick a product, you just pick a topic you already know or something people always ask you about. Then ask ChatGPT to help you outline and write it. Use Canva to design it beautifully. And in less than 24 hours, you'll have your first digital product ready to sell. But what if you don't want to create anything from scratch? That's where done-for-you digital products come in. And that's what I use inside my system. Automate the system. This is where Legacy Builders program comes in. It gives you a 90% pre-built automated system that does the selling for you. Emails, landing page, follow-ups, is already done. You just plug in your links, personalize your message, and you're ready to launch. That means you can be making sales even while you're sleeping or spending time with your family. It's designed to run on autopilot, so your business works for you, not the other way around. traffic. Now comes the part that everyone complicates. Traffic. Inside the system, you learn simple strategies to attract your ideal customers who are already searching for what you're offering. You can use Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts to share short, authentic videos that direct people straight to your digital store. You don't need followers, you just need the right message. And the content strategy that's included literally shows you when to post and how to turn views into income. Scale to $900 days. Once you have your first few sales come in, it's time to scale, but not just by working harder. The goal is to add more streams of income, because true freedom comes when your money comes from multiple directions. Inside the Legacy Builders program, you learn how to stack different streams of income so your earning keeps growing, even when you're spending time with your family. This could look like adding new digital products, offering affiliate bonuses, or introducing automated upsells that run in the background. And since you keep 100% of the profit when you resell the program, you can build several income streams that all work together, giving you flexibility and peace of mind. That's how people in our community are creating consistent $900 days, working just 2 hours a day with systems that keep earning even while they're offline. So if you're sitting there thinking, I want that kind of freedom, but I don't know where to start, this is your sign. I have a free class that walks you through how this entire process works, from setup to automation, so you can start earning from home without the overwhelm. Click the first link in the description to access the free Freedom Formula Blueprint and see exactly how to build your own $900 days system. If this video gave you value, hit subscribe, give a thumbs up, and drop a comment below telling me your biggest takeaway. I love hearing your stories and seeing other women step into financial freedom. And if you have any questions about getting started, drop them in the comments below and I'll reply to everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, freedom isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter with systems that do the work for you. You've got this.